Hi, boys and girls. My name is George Herbert Walker Bush. Some of the people call me Poppy. I was the 41st President of the United States of America. My Vice President was J. Danforth Coyle. I was born on June 12, 1924. At the age of 84, I am the oldest living U.S. President still alive. I was the first president to use a personal computer. I married Barbara Pierce on January 6, 1945. We've been married for 64 years, and that's a really long time. Our son George was the 43rd President of the United States of America. I played first base for the Yale University baseball team. I was the U.S. Navy's youngest pilot during World War II. I was shot down twice over the Pacific Ocean. 3 of my quotations are, it's a very good question, very direct, and I'm not going to answer it. 2, it just wouldn't be prudent at this juncture. 3, read my lips, no new taxes. Thank you for listening.